Long ago, in a small village, lived a kind farmer and his elderly mother. A cruel law demanded the elderly be abandoned to die on the mountain. Torn between obedience and love, the farmer carried his mother, his heart heavy with sorrow. As they climbed, the mother without a word left a trail of twigs, a silent message of hope. The farmer lost in his grip and didn't notice.
Mother, I must leave you.
I left a quick, simple act of love, the silent trail of hope, changed everything. The farmer's heart, filled with guilt and love, turned him back. He carried his mother home, not to abandon her, but to cherish her. The cruel law was broken by the power of a mother's love and son's unwavering devotion. I challenge everyone to burn a paper using stone.
Over time, no one can solve it, so they all give up. But the sun is trying to solve it by creating it with different techniques. But sadly, he failed. I am so tired of trying and trying again. Maybe I should give up?
I know what technique will you use for this kind of puzzle. This is what you need to create the perfect rope made of ashes. Wow, this is amazing. I'm so amazed that someone knew what is the solution to it. But how did you know what is the solution for this riddle? Your mother is wise. I was wrong to think that old people are useless. And I will change that law right now so that old people can live without worrying about their safety just because of my useless law.
From that day, the elderly are respected and allowed to live in peace.